didn't catch you too late at night. I know you sound pretty relaxed. Are you doing? Is Toy doing okay? Is everything going okay?
Yes, she is fine.
Okay.
She is looking at the purple clouds.
Okay. Yes, beautiful. Let her enjoy her experience while we chit chat. Yes, of course. Beautiful. This means so much to her. So I definitely want to give her the best experience I can and do good by her. What about Christian? Who is he? Is he a soul family as well? Is he another light brother? Or is he
Yes,
a
he is a warrior and his family line is one of the greatest. And Christian is the man she spoke with in the future.
that's Christian?
Correct.
I knew it. He showed up right after. That was pretty quick.
Yes, but he
But did she
tried.
meet the day I told her to go out? That wasn't the same day, was it? She had met him before. She'd known him before.
Yes, but you sparked her to think about it. Well, to get out of the house and she started having car problems and he texted her and she called him and they were destined to meet.
Beautiful.
He has so many things he's going to teach her about martial arts, about being a queen warrior.
So is this a good trip for her to go to Africa in December?
Yes, it's part of her activation.
Beautiful. And who else should she go with? She was told to take a few people.
Yes,
She taken her daughters.
yes. And she's going to take Marilyn
Beautiful.
and she's going to take Catherine and she's going to take Maya.
Oh no.
She's going to take Toya
I'm
and
going to
she's
Africa?
going to take
Uh-huh.
her son.
Really?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Sounds like what do you call it? Repatriation. Going back home. So is this mission that she has with Christian, are they supposed to be bringing more people from here to Africa and establish something there?
Yes, and people from Africa here
Okay.
and to Paris and to every continent on the planet as we unite as one.
Beautiful. Now, how is she going to be able to get people here from Africa? I know it's really hard for them to get here. It's like anyone else can get to our country with no problem. Is there a special way she's going to do it? Is it going to be through film?
Christian is the key and the answer to all of that, which is taken care of.
Okay. Beautiful. So she
Has
doesn't need,
vision
uh-huh.
and a dream that he is going to realize with the help of Toy, Maya, Carlos, Lexus, Achaya, Ashanti, Marilyn, Catherine, his lineage and family are the key to the greater good of the world of indigenous people from the colonizers' plan that they have devised. The colonizers know, but they cannot stop any planetary reconstruction that's going to take place.
Okay. Wow. Beautiful. So is there a reason why Toy left Vegas in a hurry and now she's back home and then she still plans on going back to Vegas? Will she be going back to her dream home?
Yes, she will get a modest home and she will have 6 homes before she gets the last home that she saw in her revealing time. The other homes will have other families there. And then once she helps with doing great deeds as such, she can level up to the higher realm of financial freedom.
Beautiful. I know she's into music, and I think she's talking about film as well. Is this her um, career focus that she should be focused on, or is there something else?
Toy is a genius in many areas, and all of these dots will be connected, and every last one will be realized in no time.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see. So I know we were talking and she was saying how they said China launched a sun. Are they doing stuff like this, trying to make suns and create stars? And did China just launch a sun that didn't last very long or something? Is this
Yes,
true?
they launched one, but they don't mean any harm.
Okay.
They are just showing that you cannot make the people nervous, fearful, afraid, and sending them into the unknown because the sun will never go out. And they were just wanting to show the world that suns are easily made and to not be afraid if the real sun goes out. That was a message.
So if the real sun went out, they could create another one?
Yes, but they won't have to.
Oh,
Very cool.
suns. Is this all part of the new good technology to help humanity? Or are they, possibly opening black holes?
With CERN,
Yeah, CERN and
there's already been many black holes that have been opening, but this one is going to usher in many things that should not be here in this dimension.
is it going to be real bad? Or how would you describe it? What is it going to be like?
It's going to be really, really, really horrible looking, but we have y'all's back and you guys have our back.
Uh-huh.
We will not win.
Is this going to be the civil war that people have been waiting for?
For
Is this,
universal peace, there will be.
what was that?
For universal peace, there will be.
Right, right. I know it has to happen, and I know that the battle is happening already. So, i- is
Isn't that a great thing?
yeah. I mean, I would really like to know what our abilities are as these human beings here. I would love to know my own abilities, as Toy would like to know hers. She said she was meditating and they saw her glowing. Was this part of her activation?
She is always glowing.
She's got the glow.
Yes, she should record more.
So King Yama, so far Toy and Carlos has sang they've got the glow song. Do you sing that they got the glow too? Do you want to
Yes, when you got that glow. When we got that glow. That's when you're harnessing all of your power and truth. And it makes you emit or emit light because There are different dimensions. And when you are higher than the third dimension, your light body shows through the material world.
Is that why some people say their eyes have been glowing?
Yes, Carlos's eyes glow.
Yeah.
Yes.
I took a picture once where my eyes were glowing. Do my eyes glow at all?
Yes.
Okay.
You know that your eyes glow.
I just needed a little confirmation. Sometimes I wonder.
You
Beautiful.
have to accept your powers when you see them shine through and have no self-doubt. And don't listen to others with negative comments or compliments because it will dim your light and you won't shine in the way that you should.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that. Good to know. Good to know. Yes, it's a daily battle. It sure is.